Good morning. Update on our 30s bungalow kitchen restoration or remodel. It's been a couple of weeks since the last update, but we've made a bit of progress. So I'll show you where we are. So room cupboard boiler is in place, cupboard that hides the boiler. We've got the base unit and the glaze as per last week. The flooring have actually extended all the way across under the units. This being the final section here. We've got our ladder unit in, okay, which is a nice large cupboard. I put these units in yesterday afternoon, just moving some power. Got some tape on the trunking for the 240 socket there because that's quite close to the mounting brackets for the wall units. The pan unit and the corner Le Mans unit is in, so this is quite nice. This has a fold out double shelves, yeah, so happy with that. Got the laser set for the bottom of the cabinets. Okay, so that's my next job. So I'm just making sure that I'm not going to drill through any cables, and then this morning we're going to get the corner unit, the single unit, the microwave unit and the wine rack up. I've given me worktop man I've decided to let someone do my worktops. It's probably going to be cheaper than buying the jig, which I'll probably only use once, so I'm going to get some expert help. I've done the rest myself, so that's all good. So it's coming on well. Doing a bit of work outside, which I will explain. So a couple of jobs going on at the moment. So I've been, probably the wrong time to do it, but why not? Right in the middle of everything. So I've been got me dry ridge system put on me, so all the old ridge tiles have been removed, and we're running with a dry ridge, which I'll show you now. So removed all the old tiles and cleaned all the mortar off, and my roofer has put the dry ridge on. Still got the ends to cap off with some black putty, but yeah, all clean, all good. So basically, yeah, done for life. So there's there's a membrane goes down first, like a gasket sacking material. Then there's a plastic flashing, which I'll show you, and then these are actually pre-drilled, so they're nailed below and at the end of the cap. So hips are all done. So that's part of the flashing detail that goes over the top of the ridge. So yeah, really good. So again, that's all done. My garage is getting done next. So as you can see, he's got the battens on ready. We've had to retile the back because there are a lot of broken tiles. So we'll put new tiles on the back where you can't see, and the rest will blend in. So yeah, pretty happy with that. So that's another little job, a bit more maintenance free. So these are the units that fit today. We've got a corner unit. Okay, we've got the microwave housing and top cupboard, and we've got the 400 unit, and they go along that wall. And then I've got this little 300 that goes on the end of here, which goes just basically where the white paint ends. So that'll be in this side. So yeah, that'll be pretty good. So that's it. I will report back when we get a little bit further, but that's it for today. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like them, please subscribe, press the like, all that good stuff. Okay. See you later. Bye.